Atlanta, I'm 1080. Be 316 eastbound with a group of motorcycles. 316 eastbound in Gwinnett County with a group of motorcycles. Coming up the Riverside Parkway.
795, 23233, 795, 1080.
Riverside Parkway, Atlanta, if you would notify Gwinnett for me, please. Notify Gwinnett County I'm passing Riverside Parkway. Lot of traffic, lot of traffic. We're coming up on some thick traffic right here. I'm trying to get through them.
10-4.
Coming up on Lawrenceville, Duluth, Georgia 120.
Approaching Lawrenceville, Duluth 120. Fire 795, can you get the update? You still behind them?
Yeah, I'm trying to get through this traffic and get them cut off right here at the exit. Stand by. Hey, y'all I'm chasing these motorcycles coming up right here. There's a pack of motorcycles. They're probably going the wrong way at this point. All right, we're getting off on, what was it? Whatever that last exit was I called out, Atlanta. We're getting off there. Lawrenceville had the road shut down for a bad 1050.
Getting off at Duluth Highway.
All right, going back 316 the opposite direction. Going back 316 on the opposite direction.
10-4 southbound 316.
Another U-turn, Atlanta. Back on that exit, I guess is Riverside.
10-4 back on Riverside Parkway.
I'm sorry, Duluth Highway. Duluth Highway. We're passing up Hurricane Shoals.
Approaching Hurricane Shoals.
Another U-turn, Atlanta.
10-4 U-turn, back westbound on Blue.
Just get off, man! All right, try to channel him again. We're still going.
10-4, you advise you to U-turn again.
Clear left. Yeah, U-turn again back towards 316. Every time I try to channel him, he does a U-turn.
Yeah.
Clear left, clear right. Coming up on 316 now. I think he's going to try to go back the opposite direction again.
10-4 approaching 316.
316 back westbound towards 85. 316 back westbound towards 85.
10-4 316 westbound.
Coming up to Riverside Parkway.
10-4 approaching Riverside Parkway. Can you switch to 1-8 radio? We have 1-8 units trying to assist you.
Yeah, I don't have it, Atlanta. I can't. Coming up on Sugarloaf.
10-4. We're in 10-5 and above the top of Sugarloaf. We can get them that way.
Passing up Sugarloaf. Stand by. Getting caught up. There's cars not moving. We're coming up to 85.
10-4 approaching slow traffic towards 85.
Atlanta, there's a trooper behind me. I don't know if he's on the Gwinnett channel or not. You guys who it is?
10-4 Delta 895.
Beautiful. Coming up to 85.
Center 5895, he's unable to switch off Atlanta radio, he has no reception. Otherwise, he's behind you assisting you.
Okay, I think we're going 85 south.
10-4 south.
Still 85 southbound.
Still 85 southbound.
Coming up on Beaver Ruin.
Approaching Beaver Ruin.
He's making his way over toward the right. Might be exiting.
We're moving over to the right.
Passing up Beaver Ruin. Passing Beaver Ruin.
Passing Beaver Ruin.
Making his way over to the right again. I don't know what exit we're coming up on. I'll let you know what he does here.
10-4 moving to the right.
All right, passing up Indian Trail. Passing Indian Trail.
Passing Indian Trail. taking Jimmy Carter Boulevard.
Making his way all the way over to the right, might take the exit. Nope.
Yeah, what kind of vehicle is it?
Alright, passing Jimmy Carter, I believe. Hang on. Making his way over to the right, making his way over to the right.
It's not a singular vehicle, it's a group of motorcycles.
It's only one motorcycle at this point, Atlanta, only one motorcycle.
10 for only one motorcycle remaining.
Coming up on Jimmy Carter.
Approaching Jimmy Carter.
Alright, he acted like he wanted to take Jimmy Carter, did not take it, so we're still 85 south, 85 south.
10-4, still 85 south.
Good, we're good, split it. Coming up on 285 shortly.
Approaching 285.
Making his way back over toward the right again.
Approaching right side of the interstate.
Stand by, I'll let you know. He is slowing down, so we'll see.
10-4, 10-12 for further traffic. Vehicle slowing down.
Coming up to 285, coming up to 285. Still 85 southbound.
10-4, 85 south, I'm approaching 285.
Alright, there's blue lights on 285, so he's passing that up. We are 85 southbound, 85 southbound.
10-4, still 85 southbound.
Coming up to Chamblee Tucker. King 88744, K88744 is the tag, Atlanta. I'm close enough to read it. He's just got more acceleration than I do. Shallowford Road, we're passing up Chamblee Tucker, headed to Shallowford, 85 southbound.
10-4, passing on Chamblee Tucker, approaching Shallowford.
Yeah, Phoenix would be lovely if we could get it. Atlanta, the bike's losing some fluid on my windshield. Losing some fluid. He might blow his motor here shortly. We're still 85 southbound though. I believe Shallowford is what we're going to come up to.
10-4, clear, still southbound, 85. Possibly moving fluid.
895, if you get close enough, if this fluid gets on your windshield, do not hit your windshield wipers. You'll go blind like I did the last time.
Clear, don't hit windshield wipers.
Alright, we are still southbound Atlanta. Coming up to 91, which is PDK Airport.
Still southbound, approaching 91.
Passing Claremont Road, Claremont Road.
Alright, I'm close enough to 75 for future on. I'll try to call for you. We're coming up to Northridge. 10-4, passing Paramount, approaching North Druid. 3/4 of a mile from North Druid, getting back over to the right. Going back over to the right. Taking North Druid. Taking North Druid. Taking left on North Druid. That's left on North Druid. 10-4, you're about to pull up the North Druid. Alright, we're going to try a channel here on North Druid. I'm with you back here. Alright, we are North Druid, passing Briarcliff. 10-4, eastbound North Druid, passing Briarcliff, and B is about to come up over Troop C. Actually turning on to Briarcliff, northbound Briarcliff. North from Briarcliff. 795, dim those lights if you can. Turn on to Cliff Valley. We're taking Cliff Valley. Head in.
'Put your hands behind your back. Give us your fucking hands. Give us your fucking hands. Fucking hands. On your belly and hands. On your stomach. You want me to take this? Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. Right now. Behind your back. It's not hard. Hands behind your back. Behind your back. You're gonna get stunned again. Hands. I got one. I got him. You better stay still. You're gonna get popped again. It's over. Hey, look. It's over. You are. I'm sorry.